Hello everyone, this is the Random Channel Eli here, and today I'm making a video of this 42-inch Hugger ceiling fan that's installed in my parents' old house in their kitchen. The light kit and blades are an original. I took the blades off of the original fan. I was cleaning them and I messed up the original blades, so I put on these Littleton blades here. And this fan came with a light kit that used a big globe, while the light's pull switch was really hard to pull and stiff. So I just took out the light kit and I put this three-way light kit on it, and it's doing pretty good ever since. And this fan does still blow a lot of air, so we'll go ahead and demonstrate here. And these are not the original pulls, I put them on there. And this fan looks really nice. This fan came with cane blades, so I have no idea what this fan is. So it's just gonna be called a Hugger. And here's the low speed. And this fan does work on reverse as well. And this fan does hum, but very powerful too. And this fan was a 42-inch, and this fan's still a 42. And here's high. This fan has a little wobble, but it's not like aggressively. Just a little bit. Alrighty, thanks for watching.